History doesn't take place. It is created. Plastfocus, earlier known as India Plast 2019, witnessed a history. At 72,000 square meter exhibition area, with 18 plus countries participation, 945 exhibitors, 1,23,409 business visitors, multiple opportunities at a single destination, where like-minded plastics industry fraternity congregates with global players, interacts with business consultants, exhibits products and services, beholds latest technology, discovers new export destinations, and thrives together. At Plastfocus, we are all set to take Indian plastics industry on the global map and create yet another history with Plastfocus 2024 from 1st to 5th February 2024, where we expect 1,260 plus exhibitors, 1,80,000 plus visitors, 27 plus participating countries, amid 90,000 square meter exhibition area, happening at New Delhi. The bedrock of Plastfocus lies in PMMAI, Plastics Machinery Manufacturers Association of India, an apex body of Indian plastic machinery manufacturers. PMMAI has a vision of making the Indian plastics machinery industry a global player and preferred machinery supplier, providing world-class products at competitive prices. PMMAI has organized knowledge-sharing seminars, workshops, study tours, to name a few. On the anvil are exhibitions on a national and global scale to showcase the Indian plastics industry. To achieve a vision of such stature, we have collaborated with Triune Exhibitors Private Limited, which acts as an interface between government, industry, media, and academics. Triune Exhibitors is among few Indian exhibition organizers with a commendable track record of organizing over 50 exhibitions, including Amtex, Plast Asia, Print and Pack Tech World Expo, and Hell Asia. At Plastfocus, our vision is to become the leading supplier and hub of plastics machinery sector with 25% world market share. The idea is to make in India for the world. Plastfocus 2024 will align our goals to our vision 2047 and resonate with our core vision of innovation to create new history. Welcome to the future of plastics technology.